Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Viru and today we will discuss about the set and map in Java. So in Java, set and map are two important interface which is available in collection frameworks. Both the set and map interface which is used to store a collection of an object in a single unit. The main difference between the set and map which is that the set which is a under and contain which is different element, whereas the map contain the data in the key value pair. So today we will discuss the both of them, that is set and map. So first we discuss the set interface. The set interface which is a in a java.util package, it's a provide set interface. The set interface which is implemented by the extending the collection frameworks collection interface. It doesn't allows us to add the same element in it. It doesn't maintain the insertion order because it contain the element in the sorted way. Uh, it for designing the mathematical set, the we use the set interface in Java. So next we discuss the map interface. The map which is another important interface which is available in collection interface. So in order to use the map interface, we have to extend the collection interface. Just like set, map which is also used for storing collection of an object in a single unit. Each of the object which is stored in a key value pair. We can easily access the value using just the key because each value which is associated with the unique value. We can easily search and update or delete the element by using the map. The map and a sorted map which is our two interface, and a tree map, link hash map, and a hash map which is a three classes of a map. If we need to transverse a map, we need to convert it into set because the map cannot be transverse. After converting it into set, we can using the set method like key set and a entry set. Now we see some difference between set interface and map interface. The set and map interface, which is both are used to store the collection of an object in a single unit, but there are few difference between. So first is the set which is used to construct the mathematical set in Java, whereas in a map which is used to mapping in the database. The second one which is in a set, it cannot be contain repeated value, whereas in map it can be same value for a different key. And third one which is in set, we can easily iterate the set element using the key set and the entry set method in it, whereas in map the map element cannot be iterated. We need to convert the map into set for iterating the elements. That's the all about set interface and map interface in Java. Thank you.